All right, these are the numbers of what happened in that first set from Ivy Remulla.
Right on your screens, you can see how the Lady Falcons had led in the attacking departments, an amazing 18 attacks against only 8 of the Lady Blazers. Although it was a close match, and that's primarily because the Lady Blazers had more blocking and had, yung binabanggit natin kanina, they were serving excellently.
Yeah.
So service aces for the Lady Blazers. And sa errors naman, halos pareho lang. Hindi naman nagkakalayo yung kanilang statistics for the errors. So basically, it was a good game for both the squads. It was a very tight game.
That was the first set that we just saw, and of course, in fact, nung second technical timeout, it was CSB who got there first. And yun, natauhan na tong Adamson, humabol, made the run, and eventually got that win. But here in the second set, of course, let's see what happens as Carolino gets blocked. She gets it through the second time around. And I would like to greet, of course, Angela Binting, an advance happy birthday on April 27. That's on Wednesday. And of course, Sir Boyet Sison and Jamie Hoson, who are celebrating both of their birthdays today, April 25. Happy birthday sa mga kulit na mga tao ito. Angela Binting, of course, advance happy birthday also to you. We're tied at 1-1. And itong College of St. Benilde, always during a technical timeout or during a called timeout by Coach Selma Barina, they are being challenged always. You know, push yourselves, make sure that you play harder, give it your all, and that's a challenge that these Lady Blazers, I think, once they solve that little, I can't call it little because it's really a huge issue, pero pag nalampasan nila yan, I think they will definitely be a strong team, a contender every time.
Yeah, we have to agree. You know, yun nga pagka nakikinig ka sa mga timeout ni Coach Telma, it's not more of those instructional, you know, ng mga step by step, ito ang dapat mong gawin, ito ang play ninyo. But it's really more on, she's really targeting on the attitude, on the mindset ng mga players.
Yung tapang sa loob. Michelle with a good serve to Fajardo.
Goes back to Fajardo.
Wow. Give and go, as Fajardo was the one who received the ball and she was the one who hit the ball. Fajardo with a good serve. Araneta with a free ball, just dump it straight down.
Well, she is a tall player after all, so aabutin lang ng konti yun.
Yeah. Ito na naman, CSB lumamang, 4-3.
But if you notice, Ian, yung lamang nila is mostly because of the services.
Yes, that's their strong suit right now. And of course, the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300. Good defense by Mayet.
Good save. Free ball from the Lady Blazers. Go to Binting. Drop shot. Smart move from Angela Binting.
She saw that from a mile away. Nakakitang-kita niya. Yung
one good thing about it, look at her approach. It's as if papaluin niya yung bola. See her swing, her take off, and then all of a sudden, binagalan niya yung kamay niya for the drop ball.
Linaglag lang, no? Sa gilid.
Very smart play.
Nice serve there from Mayet Carolino. Valencia into the net this time. Mayet will be serving again. She's doing a good job.
Well, she's been there for how long already?
Yeah. Ooh, that hits the antenna. And Araneta, well, she didn't start off that first set, but now she's back in the starting six here in set number 2. Adamson now with a 3-point lead.
Another good service.
That reception a bit too strong for Ajero to get a